All right, here we go, guys. PYT 538. 25 Luminance football, 4 packs, 10 cards per pack. 3 autos, 1 mem per box. Luminance box. Here we go. Pack number 1. That is Natron means for the San Diego Chargers, Los Angeles Chargers. Deron Bland, it was San Diego back then. Brian Branch, Jonathan Taylor, Caleb Johnson out of 249. There's one thing his card looks like he's on the NFL team, but that's the Iowa Hawkeyes jersey. Then we got our mem of Caleb Williams. Nice second year Caleb Williams. That is out of 90. All right, sorry, that's out of 25. 6 out of 25. Nice mem there. Cameron Jordan on the engaged insert. Travion Henderson. Gunnar Helm for the Titans. Kelvin Banks. Kid reporter card. There's Peyton Manning. Jarius Sneed. Jonathan Stewart. Puka Nacua. Number 299. Khalil Mullings, our first auto. Montez Sweat for the Bears. Of 300. Prestige of Joe Burrow. Riley Leonard. Mason Taylor for the Jets. James Pierce for the Falcons. Top load these real quick. Up next after this is 23 Clearly Don Russ. It's a 3 hobby box break, PYT 525. If you guys want to grab spots in Monday's breaks, use the future break schedule link we got in the chat. Congrats on that Williams patch. Nice one. We have 2 autos left. Maybe one of you guys that have guessed the auto, I can hit for you. There's Trevor Lawrence. Chris Olave. Dak Prescott. There's Kelvin Banks out of 25. 10 out of 25 on that one. That goes to the Saints. Natron Means out of 299. We got RJ Harvey for Denver on the auto. This one is out of 50. 39 out of 50 RJ Harvey. And that's going to the Denver Broncos. That's it for the Broncos spot. Brian Thomas Jr. on the Fusion. Harold Fanning Jr. Zy Alexander. We got Zachary Franklin Go to the Raiders spot. Get the pull card. Final pack should have our final auto in it. Good luck. If it's Arch Manning or Genty, somebody's going to get 20 in credit. There's Bijan Robinson. Kenny Lofton. Not Kenny Lofton. James Lofton. Kenny Lofton's baseball player. We got Pacheco. Jaden Daniels on the second year. James Lofton out of 50. 32 out of 50. And it's going to be Jalen Noel. Iowa State. Says college. It's going to the Houston Texans. Jalen Noel was the final auto, and that was out of 700. We have the engaged Fred Warner. Tesla. Isaac Tesla. Mecca Abuka. And Ricky White for Seattle. Alright, sleeve top load. Then we'll move on to our clearly done rest. We'll do a recap of these. Out of 25, that was Kelvin Banks Jr. for the Saints. We got Natron Means out of 299. James Lofton, that was out of 50. Caleb Johnson out of 249. This was Khalil Mullings out of 299. Montez Sweat out of 300 on the auto for the Bears. Man, I forgot the Bears got 2 hits. And then out of 25, Caleb Williams on the patch here. It's a 3-color patch. RJ Harvey for Denver out of 50 on that auto. And Jalen Noel out of 700. Auto for the Texans and the guest of the break. Alright, that's going to do it for break number 2. Third and final break of the night. A little short night tonight. We do have a full slate for Monday. Make sure you grab your spots on Monday's breaks.